Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss about the common problems faced by English literature student. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे कौन कौन सी सबसे ज़्यादा मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स हर एक इंग्लिश लिटरेचर स्टूडेंट फेस करता है, whether you are in UG, whether you are in PG or any competitive exam. The biggest foundation is that you have your strong base because you have understand lot more than others because you are English literature student. आप English literature के students हो, आपकी reading habit औरों से बहुत ही ज़्यादा better होनी चाहिए. You understand every important points. Okay, so here we are going to discuss today something important and something very different thing. You chose English literature, right? आपने इंग्लिश लिटरेचर को चूज किया है, ठीक है. यू लव रीडिंग और मे बी you thought that it is an easy subject, right? But after a few weeks you found yourself staring at Shakespeare, Milton, John Donne and you got amazed. Why? Because you don't understand how to read, why to read, where to read. Then came the biggest fear. Yes, English literature student का सबसे बड़ा जो fear है वो क्या? Lit theories. I'm right or not? Then long novels, even they have technical words, jargon and so much literary devices employed. Then at last unfamiliar vocab. Okay, then suddenly the subject you thought that it would be an easy and most enjoyable subject, you just expected that you are overburdened. You become so much confused how to read. So today we are going to discuss the most common and major problems faced by every literary aspirant. So here the first problem is that understanding the text. सबसे पहला जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है सभी स्टूडेंट के लिए वो ये है कि टेक्स्ट का डीपर मीनिंग समझना. फर्स्ट चैलेंज फॉर यू ऑल दैट हम टेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं, स्टोरी समझते हैं, बट जब सिंबोलिज्म, आयरनी, हिडन मीनिंग की बात होती है तो हमें कंफ्यूजन होने लगती है. लिटरेचर इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट स्टोरी, कैरेक्टर, नरेशन. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाई इट हैपेंड, how it happened and what lie beneath the surface. Why? Because you are English literature student, my students. Let's talk about the second problem. The second problem is that language feels too difficult. Yes, in your UG, most probably because you stuck in syntax, maybe your literary grammar weak or other thing, I don't know, but you stuck in syntax, technical words and jargon. That is your second problem. Problem number third, lit theories. The common problem, even every literature student is stuck in here. The most common trap for all literary student is lit theory. The student greatest fear lit theories confuse more. एक टेक्स्ट समझने के बाद जब मार्क्सिज्म, फेमिनिज्म, साइको एनालिसिस और पोस्ट कॉलोनियलिज्म जैसी थियरीज आती हैं, कंफ्यूजन और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि टेक्स्ट नाउ द सेम टेक्स्ट कैन बी रीड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. अब आपको बहुत ही अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से इसको पढ़ना है, इसको समझना है, इसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में ब्रेक डाउन करना है. द स्टोरी रिमेन द सेम, स्टोरी आपके लिए वही है, बट द क्वेश्चन वी हैव आस्क अबाउट इट चेंज. लेकिन अब आपका जो पर्सपेक्टिव है, लिटरेरी माइंडसेट बदल जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप इसे एनालाइज करना सीखोगे. The problem number 4 is that, my dear student, I don't know how to write analytical answer. Yes, problem number 4 is that you read स्टोरी, आपने स्टोरी पढ़ ली, आपने कैरेक्टर्स पढ़ लिए, आपने कोट्स पढ़ लिए, आपने थीम्स पढ़ ली इवन, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट इन एग्जाम. एग्जाम में क्रिटिकली एनालाइज देखकर समझ नहीं आता कि एग्जैक्टली लिखना क्या है, बिकॉज इट इज इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. ये इंग्लिश लिटरेचर है एंड यू आर लिटरेरी स्टूडेंट. योर reading habit, your writing skill is better than others. So we have to go in deep, think from different critical way, think from different mindset. Okay, so knowing the text and being able to write in structured way, that is the different thing. So you have to write in structured way and critical way. So tell me, you have felt the same or not, my dear? So let's talk about the fifth and the last problem is that we have to study so much. Yes, you know, literature is ocean and we have to read a lot. Your reading habit, your interpretation is different than other. Yes, the last and common problem is that we have to read a lot. If these problems sound familiar, don't worry, we will solve it in our coming lecture. Many students enter English literature expecting that it is an easy subject and most enjoyable subject. But no, what do you think? No, it's not, my dear. In our coming videos, we will explore and decode our common pressure points. It will help you a lot in your foundational phase. Yes, foundational should be very strong so that structure becomes strong. In our videos, in our class, in this discussion today, we have done make you think that how we have to read, how we have to understand that text, what are the common traps where English literature aspirants may got confused. Okay, thank you, my dear. Stay tuned with me.